In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk with Grok. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this guide will give you all the details you need to effectively communicate with this powerful tool. Let's start by launching your web browser and navigating to grok.com. If you're someone who frequently uses Grok, this step might be familiar to you. However, if you're new, simply typing grok.com into your browser's address bar will get you there quickly. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. Depending on your previous usage, this step might or might not be necessary. For new users, you'll need to create an account with a secure password to proceed. Regular users might just breeze through this with their saved login credentials, making this step a quick formality. Now, you're at the home screen of Grok. Here, you will notice an option to start a new chat, either by clicking on the New Chat button or tapping the text input box at the bottom of your screen. This is your gateway to initiating a conversation. Think of this as your virtual notepad, ready to take whatever creative or inquisitive thoughts you throw its way. With a new chat window open, it's time to type your message. This could be anything from a casual greeting to a specific question or command. Once you've crafted your message, press the send button. It's simple, straightforward, and instant. Grok is designed to respond quickly to text inputs, making this interaction seamless and efficient. For those who prefer talking over typing, Grok offers a voice interaction feature. Within the app, you might find a microphone icon. Give it a tap. This feature is quite handy, especially if you're multitasking or simply find it easier to speak than type. Once the microphone is active, go ahead and speak your question or command clearly into your device. This method is particularly useful when you're on the go or if a particular question requires a nuanced tone that typing might not convey as effectively. After you've either typed or spoken your message, it's time to sit back and watch Grok in action. Grok will process your input and craft a response, which you can expect to appear in text form right on your screen. Additionally, if you've used the voice feature, Grok might even reply with a voice response, enhancing that personable feel of a two-way conversation. And that's it. You're now equipped with the basics of interacting with Grok, making it easier than ever to communicate with this tool. Whether for work, study, or casual exploration, Grok is here to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your time with Grok.